The power of imagination makes us infinite. Neville Goddard. The idea that seeing it in your mind is the gateway to manifesting your desires is more than just a concept. It's a practice rooted in the very fabric of reality itself. By visualizing your goals with clarity and intention, you align yourself with the frequency of what you wish to achieve. This alignment is not just a whimsical notion, it's a deeply ingrained principle of how creation works. Our mind is not merely a passive observer of reality, it actively shapes and molds our experiences. This is because the mind operates on a principle of resonance. What you focus on and how you feel about it sends out a frequency into the universe that attracts similar frequencies. This is why visualization is so powerful. When you vividly imagine your desired outcome, you are essentially broadcasting a signal to the universe that aligns with your goal. This mental image, when held consistently and with emotional intensity, starts to draw the corresponding reality into your life. The process begins with clarity. You must be absolutely clear about what you want to achieve. Vague or generalized desires are less effective because they lack the focus needed to resonate deeply. Specificity in your vision helps you channel your mental energy more effectively. Imagine the details, the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with achieving your goal. The more detailed and immersive your visualization, the stronger the signal you send out. This process is not just about seeing your goal, it's about feeling it as if it is already part of your reality. Emotional involvement is key. The emotions you attach to your visualization are crucial in amplifying its power. When you visualize with strong positive emotions, you create a powerful vibrational match with your desires. This is why it's essential to engage fully with the emotions associated with your goal. Whether it's the joy of success, the relief of achieving a long-held dream, or the excitement of a new opportunity, let these emotions fill you completely. This emotional engagement acts as a catalyst, accelerating the manifestation process. It's also important to engage in this practice regularly. Just as physical exercise requires consistent effort to build strength and endurance, mental exercises like visualization require regular practice to reinforce the desired outcome. Set aside dedicated time each day to focus on your visualization, whether it's in the morning to set the tone for the day or in the evening to review your progress. Maintaining this daily practice helps keep your desires at the forefront of your mind and reinforces your vibrational alignment. In addition to visualization, affirmations can further solidify your belief in your desired outcomes. By repeating positive statements that affirm your goals and desired reality, you reinforce the mental imagery you've created. These affirmations act as a constant reminder of what you're working towards, helping to maintain your focus and motivation. The combination of visualization and affirmations creates a powerful synergy that enhances your manifestation efforts. However, it's not just about focusing on your goals, it's also about cultivating an overall mindset of abundance and positivity. Your general attitude towards life influences your ability to manifest effectively. By fostering a mindset that expects and welcomes abundance, you create a fertile ground for your desires to take root and flourish. This means adopting a perspective that sees opportunities rather than obstacles and believes in the possibility of achieving your dreams. Another critical aspect of the manifestation process is to remain detached from the outcome. This might sound counterintuitive, but detachment doesn't mean you stop caring about your goal. Rather, it means releasing any anxiety or desperation associated with achieving it. Trusting that the universe will deliver what you've asked for in its own time and manner is essential. This detachment helps you maintain a sense of peace and allows you to focus on the positive actions you can take towards your goal without being bogged down by doubt or impatience. Persistence is also a key factor in manifestation. Even when progress seems slow or when external circumstances appear challenging, maintaining your mental focus and continuing your practice is crucial. The universe responds to sustained effort and unwavering belief. Your persistence signals to the universe that you are serious about your desires, which can in turn accelerate the manifestation process. Manifestation is not about forcing or controlling outcomes. It's about aligning with the natural flow of the universe and allowing your desires to unfold in the most harmonious way. By consistently applying these principles and practices, you create a powerful alignment with your goals, enabling them to manifest more effortlessly and effectively. To further grasp how to effectively use visualization to manifest your desires, consider the role of your subconscious mind. The subconscious is a powerful component in the manifestation process. It operates beneath the level of your conscious awareness and influences your beliefs, behaviors, and experiences. When you repeatedly visualize and emotionally connect with your goals, you are essentially reprogramming your subconscious mind to align with your desired outcomes. Assume your subconscious mind as a fertile garden. What you plant in this garden through thoughts and visualizations will eventually grow. If you consistently nurture positive, goal-oriented thoughts, you cultivate a mindset that is conducive to achieving your desires. On the other hand, if your mental garden is overrun with doubts and negative beliefs, it can hinder your progress. Thus, maintaining a positive and focused mindset is essential for this process. Incorporating sensory details into your visualizations can enhance their effectiveness. When you visualize, engage all your senses. Hear the sounds associated with your success, feel the textures, and even smell the scents that relate to your goal. This multisensory approach makes the visualization experience more vivid and realistic, thereby strengthening the connection between your conscious intentions and subconscious programming. Additionally, using visualization as a tool to overcome obstacles can be highly beneficial. When you face challenges or setbacks, visualize yourself overcoming these obstacles. Picture yourself navigating through difficulties with ease and achieving your desired outcome despite the hurdles. This not only reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed, but also conditions your mind to find solutions and remain resilient. Another vital aspect to consider is the concept of gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you currently have, as well as for what you are manifesting, creates a positive vibrational frequency. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is already present and abundant in your life. This shift in perspective not only improves your overall mindset, but also attracts more positive experiences and outcomes. The consistency of your practice plays a significant role in manifestation. Regularly visualizing and affirming your goals helps to keep your desires at the forefront of your mind. This consistency creates a steady flow of positive energy towards your goals, which can significantly influence the speed and effectiveness of your manifestation. Consider also the importance of taking inspired action. While visualization and affirmations are powerful tools, they are most effective when combined with concrete actions. As you visualize and affirm your goals, remain open to opportunities and ideas that arise. Taking deliberate steps towards your goals not only shows your commitment, but also aligns your actions with your mental intentions, further facilitating the manifestation process. It's also helpful to surround yourself with positive influences and supportive environments. Being in an environment that fosters your growth and aligns with your goals can reinforce your efforts. This could mean associating with people who share similar aspirations, engaging in activities that inspire you, or creating a physical space that reflects your desires. Lastly, recall to be patient and maintain faith in the process. Manifestation is not always instantaneous, and the path to achieving your desires may unfold in unexpected ways. Trust in the timing of your manifestations and stay committed to your practice, knowing that your efforts are creating a powerful alignment with your goals. By focusing on these additional strategies and maintaining a holistic approach to visualization and manifestation, you enhance your ability to bring your desires into reality. Each element of this process contributes to the overall effectiveness of your manifestation practice, making it a comprehensive and powerful tool for achieving your goals. Staying consistent in your practice and remaining patient are crucial elements of this process. While the results may not always be immediate, maintaining a positive outlook and trust in the process keeps you aligned with your goals. Surrounding yourself with supportive influences and creating an environment that reflects your aspirations further enhances your manifestation practice. As you apply these principles, you'll find that your ability to manifest your desires grows stronger. Each visualization session, affirmation, and act of gratitude contributes to shaping your reality. The journey to achieving your goals is a combination of mental focus, emotional alignment, and actionable steps. Keep nurturing your vision, remain open to opportunities, and continue to take steps towards your goals. In summary, the power of visualization and mental imagery lies in its ability to align your vibrational frequency with your desires. By clearly defining your goals, engaging emotionally, practicing regularly, and maintaining a positive and persistent mindset, you harness the full potential of your mind to shape your reality. This process is both simple and profound, illustrating the incredible capability within each of us to create and manifest our dreams. If you found this discussion on visualization and manifestation valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers and inspires. For more insights on achieving your dreams and harnessing the power of your mind, subscribe to our channel and join our growing audience. Don't miss out on future videos that offer practical tips and motivational guidance. Feel free to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these powerful techniques. Engaging with our content by liking, subscribing, and sharing is a great way to stay updated and connected. For those looking to dive deeper into the art of manifestation, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new release. Thank you for watching and for being a part of this journey. Your participation and feedback are invaluable as we continue to explore and share ways to achieve your aspirations. Keep visualizing, stay focused, and continue to take action toward your dreams. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of your mind and manifest the life you desire.